Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Renata 396. It's a SR726W silver 1.55v battery. It's made in Switzerland. This one is expired though. It's expired on February 2020. So it's been about a year plus. So we're gonna test the voltage now to see if it's still viable. So you can see the close-up of this battery. So button battery is quite small sized. Okay. Pretty good, 1.596. But from my experience, I don't know why when I let it go, I just roll it for a while. Yeah, maybe the voltage will go down on the second test, not sure why. Let's do it again. Oh, still quite high. Okay. So maybe okay. But anyways, gonna sell it as a discounted price. So yeah, if you like this, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. And if you find this really helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this and dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.